Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another cleaning video, and today is a Friday. You probably already know, if you've been watching this weekly cleaning series, that I've got this new routine that I'm trying. So every day of the week I kind of try to do a different room, and I set a timer, so I only do 30 minutes in each room, just kind of the tasks that I don't get to like on a daily basis. So today's Friday and I'm going to do bathrooms today. So we have downstairs toilet, we have ensuite, and then the regular bathroom. So we have 3 bathrooms total, and I think it's not going to take me only 30 minutes. I think it's going to be more like an hour or so, which is fine. But yeah, I was fully expecting, when I put the bathrooms on Friday, I was fully expecting it to take me longer than 30 minutes, if you know what I mean. So I think instead of a timer, I'm just gonna put on a stopwatch and then see how long it actually takes me to clean all of this. I just finished kind of tidying in the kitchen. I didn't film that because it was just earlier in the morning after breakfast. But yeah, I also need to make the beds upstairs, and obviously toilets, everything like that. So I'm gonna show you what products I use, and yeah, we'll get on with the cleaning. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and let me know if you are planning on following this as well, or just kind of a similar routine. I would really love to hear from you. So yeah, I think I'm gonna start downstairs in the toilet down here. Boys apparently have left those 2 rolls there, which is really lovely, isn't it? Always the case in this household. So I'm just gonna go around and clean our toilet here. I need to take this upstairs because we don't need 2 of these here actually. I don't even know why this one's here. And this is what I'm going to use. Sometimes I use the Flash bathroom spray, but I run out of that. Maybe I have one upstairs. I'm gonna have to check, but this is going to be what I'm gonna use down here. So I've got the Dog Toilet Bleach Method Gloss Spray for the mirror, and then just the Dettol spray for everything else. So
did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the mat? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can,
okay, so downstairs toilet is done, and that only took 10, nearly 11 minutes. But that one's just, you know, the tiniest one, so it's a bit quicker. The other ones will likely take a bit longer. So I'm going to just quickly make the bed while I'm in here, because this only takes a minute, and then I'm gonna move into the bathroom. It's usually Victor's bathroom, my son, because he's usually the one to use it. I mostly use the ensuite, like with the shower. But yeah, so I'm just gonna clean that up, put toys away, and basically do what I did downstairs, but up here as well. So yeah, let's see. I'm curious to see how long that takes me as well.
if I were till it's end, nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left.
So I brought all of my cleaning bits in here, and I'm just gonna tackle the bathtub. I need to put all the toys away, and then obviously the sink, toilet, everything like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this.
I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you.
Oh, and I usually use a minky for this, but all of my minkies are in the wash right now, so I'm just gonna use the Scrub Daddy instead.
Annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
So the bathroom is done, I just have to do the ensuite now, and I am at 31 minutes, so that took about 20 minutes to do, which I fully expected, you know, the bathrooms upstairs to take longer. But yeah, I'm gonna move into the ensuite, do the same process basically, and I'm also gonna do the shower. And for the shower I just used the Scrub Daddy, which works really well. I've got this kind of fairy liquid concoction that I use on there, just in a spray form, and then I use a window vacuum for that as well. And yeah.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you is on my control. I keep on letting my bad habits make us both come crashing to the floor. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. Stripping down the middle. Stripping down the middle. Stripping down the middle. This is not what we should be. Start to get the best.
Okay, so that is my bathroom cleaning done for the day, and it took me 56 minutes because yeah, it just does take a while to get through all 3 bathrooms, but I'm really pleased I got that done. So now at the weekend I don't have to worry about cleaning because I basically did everything I wanted to do during the week. So I really like the system. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'll kind of try it out, you know, for the next few weeks and see how it goes. But yeah, I'm not sure when this video is going live, but I am filming this kind of towards the end of July, and can I be really honest and tell you that I'm actually really excited for autumn? Like, I know it's still about a month away or so, but I don't know, we just had this huge heat wave here in the UK and it was just boiling hot, and now we have kind of a few chillier days. Like, it's, I think today is only 22 degrees and it's a bit chilly in the morning, and I got some soup to have for lunch, and I don't know, I'm just excited for autumn. I think you can tell I'm an October baby because I just really love autumn and I'm getting excited for that. Let me know if you're the same. Like, I am enjoying summer and I really like, you know, things that we can do in the summer as well, but yeah, I just much prefer autumn. But that's my cleaning done for the day. I do hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you're having a lovely day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.